Hello everyone, myself Arnav. In the last video we covered the sales process automation of customer relationship management. In this video we'll cover marketing automation and support solution. So we'll proceed with importing the marketing solution. Go to import solution from solution store, install marketing solution, click on import solution. All these solutions are based on the same concepts of entity, relations, and actions as described in the video about getting started with Enterox Cloud. Okay, we have the marketing solution imported. We'll proceed to the actions just the way we did it with business and sales. We'll mark the actions that come with marketing solution. We'll select those and set the user credential or the username and password for those actions. Now let's go to the CRM side. We can see the marketing solution in CRM site now. Now in the last video we have already covered about the business solution, the different accounts, contacts, leads, activities, the sales process starting from opportunities all the way through invoices, and the catalog solution, setting up our products or services catalogs and the price lists, etc. So I won't get into the details of those except for the fact that the marketing solution depends on the business solution, where you have contacts and leads, your customers and prospects. Marketing solution allows you to group your leads and contacts into lists so that you can run campaigns for them. Now at the heart of the marketing automation is the campaign entity. Campaign is the marketing campaign, can be of different types. It can be an advertisement, it can be a direct marketing, it can be an event sponsorship or any other type. And again, these fields are completely customizable. Though with all types of campaign, you can plan your marketing activities, the expected response and the budget. The one that would be of special interest is direct marketing. Direct marketing is the type of marketing where you have a list of customers or prospect and you can reach out to them through channels that allow you to reach them personally. For example, phone call, email, fax, letter, SMS, etc. In this video, we'll run a SMS campaign and an email campaign that will give you a fair understanding of the marketing process. So let's start. We'll start with creating a list. You can create a list of your contacts or a list of your leads or a combination of both. We'll say, let's create a list of contacts with phone numbers. Now we'll set the filter. This is where we can define who all contacts will be added to this list. So we'll give it a name like contacts with phone number, also a display name. The operator, will put a simple AND operator. The condition, you can select condition like phone number is null, is not. You can create even more complex conditions like conditions where you have phone number not null and then you have city or specific city, or you can create even more complex conditions like contact belonging to a specific account and the account having a specific industry. We'll keep it simple for now. So we have created a filter, a contact filter. We don't want to add leads. We'll leave it like this and we'll create the list. Once we have the list record created, we can run the generate list item action, and that will add all the contacts that match the filtering criteria. So we can see the list members, contacts, and we have the contact added to the list. We can have more contacts, but in this case we just have one contact. This comes from the last demo in which we created this contact. So we have a list and we have a member added to the list based on the filtering criteria. Next we'll go to campaigns and we'll create a campaign, SMS campaign. We call it SMS campaign. Type will be direct marketing, channel type will be SMS, and We can have a channel provider if we want to have analytics in terms of which channel performed the best. We leave it empty for now. We can give it a subject, um, promotional launch or a product launch. We can have a message with placeholders like hi, contact name, wish to inform you about the launch of our SCM supply chain management suite, etc., or the CRM suite. Things like this. One thing to know about SMS messages, it's not restricted to 160, it's actually 640 characters that you can have in this message. However, the SMS credit will be charged based on the length of the message. So every 160 characters counts as one SMS credit. We can give a description or purpose of this campaign for record purposes, or we will just leave the rest of the field as is. The next thing we need to do is add our list to this campaign. So we can go to campaign lists, and the list that we created earlier, we'll select that list, contacts with phone numbers. And once we have set up the SMS campaign along with the list added to it, we can proceed to launching the campaign. Let's give it a moment. The action runs asynchronously. It takes a while. And you can see that the state changed to launched. Also, we can go to activities. Not sure if you heard that, I just got that message as well. Also, in the activities, you can see that a new activity is created corresponding to the campaign, and it is also related to the contact. In the contact activities, we can find the same activity in place. The message was processed, the placeholders were replaced, like we had the contact name placeholder. There can be any number of attributes from the contact entity that you can add, or the lead entity that you can add to the message. And we can see this is the message that was sent to the customer, to the member. So that's how you run a SMS campaign. We'll do one more campaign, email marketing campaign, and that should sum up the basic understanding of marketing. So for email campaign, we'll create a template. We can create template also for letter and fax campaigns. We'll give this template a name. Content type would be email, and we can have content like hi, contact name, hope your company is doing good. We wish to inform you about the launch of CRM suite. Something like that. You can also specify how this email should be sent out. How you can specify that should be the email body, or it should be made into a PDF attachment to the email. We'll keep it as email body. So we have created a template. Just the way we created list for SMS, we'll create another list, this time for contacts with email address. We'll create a contact filter. Again, and operator, select the attribute, email, condition is null, is not. You can add more conditions, but we'll just create a simple condition here. Save and close. Now I'll generate the list item. And you can see that we have a member added to it. Let's go back to campaigns. Let's create an email campaign. Campaign type will be direct marketing again. Channel type will be email. We can specify a subject for the email. And we can select the template that we created. You can add more details to the campaign. We'll leave the rest of the field for now. The next step is to add the list to the campaign. We will select the list contacts with email address, and once we have set up the email campaign along with list associated to it, we can launch the email campaign. So that's how you run an email marketing campaign. That covers the basic understanding of marketing process automation through Enterox Marketing Solution. There is a little more to it. You can create HTML contents as HTML pages and have links to those in your marketing emails. There is something I missed about email and SMS campaigns. I'll briefly cover that. With both types of campaigns, you get different channels. You get in case of an email campaign, you get channel to send transactional messages. That will be your domain name followed with Enterox.net, and a different email ID for promotional messages. You should maintain the sanity of your channel. If you send promotional messages through transactional channels, your emails would start landing in the spam folder, which you would not want. Similarly, with SMS campaigns, you get an option to choose the transactional channel or the promotional channel. 1001 is the transactional channel and 1002 is the promotional channel. And again, if you use the transactional channel for sending promotional messages, you'll be violating the regulation and your messages would get blocked. The transactional messages would also get blocked. And how these settings are done. And one more thing. Currently, the default settings from Enterox provides you to send messages within India itself, not beyond India. And these settings are done through domain settings. You can change these settings. You can use Twilio or Plivo or whichever SMS gateway service provider is popular in your region. You have option to configure the primary SMS channel, that will be the transactional channel, and the secondary SMS channel, the promotional SMS channel, and an option to receive SMS as well. Similarly, you have email settings to configure the mail server through which you can send emails, the primary transactional emails and the promotional emails, and an option to receive emails as well. So that covers the email and SMS campaigns marketing solution, a basic understanding of the marketing process. Let's look at the support solution now. So we go back to main site and we'll proceed to solutions. Click on more button, import solution, import from store, and now we'll import the support solution. And we have imported the support solution. Let's go back to the CRM site. And we can see the support solution is in place. The support solution enables you to track support cases or service requests, set up different support categories, corresponding business processes and flows along with the SLAs. And this is where our service partner companies like Manusoft comes in. They can customize the support solution specific to your business needs. Actually, they can customize all of the business solutions that comes in with Enterox Cloud. So let's create a simple support case. Let's say Mr. John, whom we sold the computer systems, have identified or requested a replacement of one of the workstation computer. So we'll create a support case for replacement of a workstation computer. Account though and does. We can also select the account from the lookup dialog and the contact. If you have set up categories, you can use category, or we'll just create a new category, something like that. You can specify the origin of case if he requested through call or email. Set up the priority, and your case can go through different stages. Again, all these stages are customizable, specific to your business need. And let's create this case. And if we go to contacts, we can see that case related to the contact. Similarly, we can also see the same case related to the account. And then you can have processes like you can create activities based on the support category for different users, etc. So that is a brief overview of the support solution. Before we conclude, there are some CRM related reports, and you can get these reports configured specific to your business needs. And now, with an understanding of the marketing, sales and support processes and their automation, we now have a basic understanding of customer relationship management.